Bafethu sesenza i-countdown since nazi ukuthi uNalDaphiwe bafethu hosta ke-15 sika December eMpumalanga eMbombela. Guys, summer experience bafethu, lineup is on point bafethu.
Hey guys, it's your girl NalDaphiwe. You know the story, you know what it is. Guys, preparations for the event have started. Manje siyahamba siMpumalanga, siyonika like ama flyers and everything so that nizobona information, like full information for the event. Nithenge namathikithi, abangakawathengi sicela ukuthi nithenge, ayatholakala CompuTickets.
I hope you all nithengile amathikithi. I hope you all nithengile amathikithi because 5 days left ngoku. Zi10 namhlanje. 5 days left. Ingane encane bafethu yenza umlando. First event yakhe, a celebrity birthday yakhe. At the same time, enilathela lineup Ntwembu blind. Ntwembu blind bafethu. Neyibona lonto le. So usho uthini ke lokho? Kusho ukuthi ngena ama-tickets guys, because ama-tickets sekhona CompuTicket, akhona Checkers, akhona Pick n Pay, akhona online. Make sure ukuthi you get your ticket bafethu. Make sure ukuthi you get your ticket because ingane encane yenza umlando. Iqopha umlando ingane encane bafethu. Yenza izinto zenzeke bafethu. First event yakhe ena 3 years segaming. Ku 2025 I decided no, ndifuna enjoy birthday yami nama supporters wami nama fans wami, just because ndiyabathanda and nabayandithanda. So let me do this event for them. So guys, make sure ukuthi nithenga amathikithi bafethu. Make sure ukuthi nayi support ingane encane bafethu ngoba i15 isifikile. At the same time i-birthday yakhe, nina bangakwazi umthekela ama present. Yona i-present emeni yenzelele yona ukuthi nibe khona kwilanga lakhe lokuzalwa, which like uthenga nje ithikithi uya nomndeni wakho uyo enjoy uyoncebeleka kube mnandi banje. It's either se Cape Town, it's either se Durban, it's either se Eastern Cape, Northwest, wherever bukhona uyakwazi ithikithi uyithathe vacation wena nomndeni wakho nihambe no support abani uNalDaphiwe plus ingane ezincane nina abazali bayamthanda naledi. So just imagine ingane yakho iphasile nje, iphasile ufuna uyenze le present, the good present for ingane yakho, mthathe ahambe enjoy ilanga lakhe, abone naledi face to face performer. Into engaphinda ikhohlwe leyo, azoyazi ukuthi make sebenza nzima ezingane there's a reward. Uyayibona into le. So bazali ndanithibisa izindlela lezi ningenza ngakhona ukuthi ingane zenu zijabule and niziguqule